Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up a complete integration between Outgrow and ActiveCampaign so you can automatically capture leads from your interactive content and streamline your email marketing workflows. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a valid Outgrow account, a live Outgrow content piece, and an ActiveCampaign account with access to your API credentials. Now, log into your Outgrow account and open the content piece you want to integrate with ActiveCampaign. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to the Configure tab and click on Integrations. Under Native Integrations, you'll find ActiveCampaign. Click on the Settings button. A configuration window will open up. Here, click on Authenticate with ActiveCampaign. Once your account is authenticated, you'll see two setup options: Proceed with List or Proceed with Segment. If you want to directly send all leads to a specific ActiveCampaign list, choose Proceed with List. Now, select the ActiveCampaign list where you want your Outgrow leads to be added and click Save and Continue. Next comes Field Mapping. This is where you connect your Outgrow form fields like first name, last name, and email address to the corresponding fields inside ActiveCampaign. Once your mapping is complete, click on Test Connection. If everything looks good, you can also enable the double opt-in feature in the final step if needed. Then click Finish to activate the integration. And just like that, your Outgrow and ActiveCampaign integration is now live. Now let's quickly look at the segment option. Here you'll select an Outgrow segment and map it to a specific ActiveCampaign list. You can even create multiple cases to route different lead segments into different ActiveCampaign lists automatically. After setting up your conditions, click on Map Fields, map first name, last name, and email, and then click Test Connection. Set up the case 2. Select Do Not Sync List. Finally, click Save Conditions and Finish to make the integration live. Once your integration is active, you'll also have access to additional actions like Reconfigure if you need to reconnect your ActiveCampaign account, View Mapping to review your field connections, Task History where you can monitor synced, waiting, or failed leads, and Deactivate if you want to temporarily stop sending leads to ActiveCampaign. And that's it. You've successfully connected Outgrow with ActiveCampaign and automated your lead capture workflow. Ready to streamline your lead generation? Start integrating Outgrow with ActiveCampaign today and turn every interaction into a powerful customer journey.